Today, we announce our lucky winner of our Micro FPV giveaway. I'd like to say thank you to all of our TMAC FPV teammates who participated and for your continued support of your TMAC FPV channel. If you know of anybody new to FPV or would like to get started with FPV, go ahead and send them our way. We'd love to help him or her out. We're very beginner friendly here at TMAC FPV, and we're only a click or email away. Also, there's a link below for you to sign up for our weekly TMAC FPV emails, so you can be the first to know about any revolutionary, wild, or crazy ideas we may have for the TMAC FPV channel, along with updates, special offers, and future happenings. We got some great comments in the giveaway, and I'd like to share just a few of them with you. From Rotor Itch, now look what you did. You got me interested in 3-inch. Perfect, Rotor Itch. That's the idea. From Spring FPV, just discovered your channel for the first time from RC Groups. Great content. Spring FPV, you can find us on RC Groups. Go ahead and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, we're on Discord, we're on Reddit, you name it, we're there. J-Boy, and I apologize if I'm pronouncing your name incorrectly, but J-Boy says, I'm very new to the hobby and just been browsing for knowledge on YouTube and saw your video. Well, stick with us, J-Boy. You ain't seen nothing yet. We're just getting started. Okay, once again, here's everything the lucky winner is going to get. Based on their comment, they're going to get their choice of one of 4 video transmitters. The EWRF 708 TM3 Pro, the EWRF 709 2TM, TBS Unified Pro HV Race 2, or the UBAD Mimic X Mini. We're also going to throw in a 200mm battery strap, which is a good length for these micro quadcopter 4S batteries. We did receive in the 3D printed camera mounts to go on the standoffs for a 19mm normal size micro camera. However, when I tried to place these mounts on the standoffs that come with the Asteroid frame, you can see that this part of the standoff is smaller in diameter than these parts here. So those 3D printed mounts would not go on these standoffs. Therefore, I'm actually including standoffs that have the same diameter from top to bottom with the frame. I don't have any black ones that are of that length, so you'll have to accept the green ones. Now these standoffs are 28mm in length. These green ones with the 3D printed mounts that I'm providing are 30mm in length. So these are actually a little bit longer than these. Now in addition, just so you're aware, these 3D printed camera mounts, when I installed them using these standoffs on this frame, there was not enough room to actually mount a 19mm camera on the frame due to the distance between where the standoffs go on the base plate and the actual holes for the flight controller stack. The back of the camera would actually protrude into where the flight control stack would be mounted. I've tried mounting them both ways with the 3D printed mounts going backwards, which is what they are originally designed to do. And I've also tried to place them where the 3D printed mount was going forwards, and that didn't work either. So I've also ordered and received other types of camera mounts. These are from Diatone. These are actually for the Diatone GTR series that go on standoffs as well. These worked a little bit better. There was more space in between the back of the camera and where the flight stack holes are, and it would have worked except the actual tops of the standoffs, when the 19mm micro camera was mounted between them, the tops of the standoffs were just spread apart just enough, about a millimeter, so that the holes on the top plate would not align with the holes on the standoff. Bottom line, I couldn't get that to work either. However, we're still going to provide the 3D printed mounts, the Diatone mounts for the GTR series, along with 4 30mm standoffs and 4 25mm standoffs. You may be able to find a way to get them to work on this frame, but if not, you've got them for some other frame that you might want to use them for. Now, if you're still interested in mounting a 19mm micro camera on this particular frame, there's one more idea which we can offer for you. This idea comes from Mr. Michael Jones, where he used a zip tie around the standoffs with holes drilled in the sides of the zip ties and then mounted the camera that way. I have not tried this myself. However, what I have done is I'm including the zip ties with pre-drilled holes in them wrapped around standoffs, which you can slide off of these if you want and put them on the other ones, if that's what you want to give a shot. I've also included 2 more zip ties in the kit, which will be sent to our lucky winner that are not pre-drilled with the holes, just in case they want to use those zip ties in a different manner. As we mentioned last time, because it takes a 14mm micro camera, the lucky winner also receives the CADX Turbo EOS 2. One last thing that you may see here that was not in the original giveaway announcement is because each one of these video transmitters has an audio input solder pad, which means if you want to fly with live audio from your FPV feed, i.e. listen to your motors, and I've got a video on using live audio while you're flying. I'll put a link to it up in the upper right hand corner. What we're doing is we're providing an external microphone should you wish to install it with the choice of your video transmitter. So this external microphone can actually be hooked up to any one of these video transmitters. What's nice about this external microphone here is it's got an adjustable gain, which means adjustable volume. So there's actually a potentiometer on the back of this right here that you can just use a small screwdriver and rotate that screw to adjust the volume of your motor sound in your earbud connected to your goggles. Once again, if you're interested in learning how to do that, or if you need a refresher on that, I've got a video which was linked earlier, and I'll also put the link to it down in the description below. All right, enough of that stuff. This is the package. One of these 4 video transmitters along with the rest of this stuff. Let's see who our lucky winner is. Okay, here we go. This giveaway has been a lot of fun. We'll be doing more like these in the future at the right times. Good luck to everybody. Once again, thanks for your support of your TMAC FPV channel. Let's do this. Get our YouTube comments, 43 unique commenters, and we're going to pick our random winner. Our lucky winner has got 1 week from today, 12 o'clock Eastern time by next Friday, to contact me at my email address, tmac@tmacfpv.com, with the shipping information. And our winner is Bullfrog FPV. Thanks for the chance to win. It would be nice to win with a TVS Unify Pro VTX. You've got it, Bullfrog FPV. Congratulations. Make sure and get a hold of me at tmacfpv.com with your shipping information, and we'll get it out to you as soon as possible. Thanks again, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, clear skies and happy flying.